Hi, I'm Bede,
And I'm Anna.
and we're the new school captains for 2021. Today, Year 12 has been participating in the Barker Big Start, where we hear from many speakers giving advice going into our HSC year.
It's been really great to be together as a grade again. I just had my first subject, which was modern history, and it was really great to learn about how to go off the syllabus and prepare for next year.
And we also got the chance to hear from Glenn Garayan, who spoke to us about how we can get motivation from ourselves so we can find purpose in our HSC year.
Hi, I'm Harry.
And I'm Taylor, and we're the new incoming vice captains for the year 2021. I think that something that's been really awesome about the Barker Big Start today has been being able to participate in some sports. Doing football this morning was a really good chance to get back together with everyone and just have a good kick around.
And also the English workshop with Mr. Todd Hill gave us a great overview of the course in Year 12, and I think that's going to be very helpful for all of us.